Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy recipes. Today I am going to make Phool Gobi Aloo Jhal, cauliflower and potato jhal. I have taken cauliflower, you can see it's cut up in pieces, and the potatoes also in this size. So come on, let us start the recipe. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. First of all, I will fry the cauliflower and the potatoes. To fry the cauliflower and the potato, put some mustard oil. The masalas which I am going to put in the cauliflower and potato jhal. This is red dry chilies, some jeera, black pepper, and this has got ginger, garlic and onion. All this I will grind and make a paste. Oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the cauliflower and the potatoes to fry. Put some turmeric powder. I will let the cauliflower and the potato fry nicely. The cauliflower and potato is gone fried up. Now I will take them out. Put some more mustard oil. I've taken khara garam masala, put this in. Put some bay leaves. I've cut up some onions this size. I will put this in also. Onions are turned golden brown, you can see it. I have chopped up tomatoes, put this in. Put in the ginger, garlic and onion paste. Put in the jeera, red chilies and black pepper paste. Put some turmeric powder. I am not putting red chili powder because the curry will turn very hot. So if you all want to put red chili powder, you all can put, otherwise you all can skip it. Put some salt to taste. Let the masalas fry nicely. Friends, the masalas turn brown. Now I will put in the cauliflower and potato which are fried and kept. Now I will add some water. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, Phool Gobi Aloo Jhal is ready. Friends, don't skip the video, see the full video. Thank you for watching my video.